Hi everyone! Today I will be out of the classroom. I will be helping with benchmarks. So you have your activities in classwork. If you come to classwork, you're going to find Tuesday. It's going to say Tuesday, no Meets. Okay, so you're going to see this. When you click on it, go ahead and click on the video, which you're watching now. You're going to continue as you were if you were in the class. You're going to go ahead and do your math activities. You're going to do word problem task cards in your journal. Work out the activity, then type your answer in the slide. Okay, so I'm going to read you the first one. Ella has 2 blue dresses and 3 green dresses. How many dresses does Ella have in all? So what do you do if you see the word in all? Are you going to add or are you going to subtract? The following question is, Jack has $20 and spends $18 on a toy. How much money does Jack have left? So if he's taking money away, he's buying things, is he adding or subtracting? Bella has 19 pencils. She gives 16 away to her classmates. So she's giving them away. How many pencils does Bella have left? Write your answer where it says answer here. There are 16 cookies in the jar. Maddie eats 4 cookies. How many cookies are left? So again, they're taking. So if you see the word left, that means to subtract. Okay, when you are done, you have your 3-digit subtraction. So in your journal, work out the problem. Then type in your answer in the slide. Okay. For reading, you will complete the activities for reading. You will read the story Bug Hunters. Go ahead and read it 3 times. Once you understand it, you know what it's about, answer the comprehension questions. Number 1, what did Joey and Jake do during the weekend? Answer right here. Number 2, what did they see first? Answer right here. What did Joey run from and why? Where did they see a caterpillar? For writing, you're going to go ahead and write, what would you rather eat? French fries or potato chips? Okay, remember to use the writing process. So you're going to think, what would you like? Would you like French fries? Potato chips. They're both potatoes, so think, what is best? What do you like? That's your opinion. You might not like what I like, but it's totally fine. Okay, so write what you like here. Give me 3 reasons why they're the best, and then end it right here. So this will be your draft, and then you will publish right here. Explain it all in complete sentences. So you will write this again in complete sentences. For science, you will be reading about mammals, okay? You will read about bats, and then you're going to write what they mean, okay? Mammal and membrane. For social studies, you will look at careers. Go ahead and click on the link below and choose 2 careers that you would like. These can be 2 different careers that maybe you didn't know. Remember, when you grow up, you're going to have to find a career that you are happy with. So you need to start looking now to see what you like. Okay, so these are all different careers. All right, when you are done with your activities, go ahead and click. When you come here, go ahead and click submit and turn in your Google slide, and you're done for the day. Have a great day.